Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be sowing these easy grow Carnation giant shrub double mix. Easy to grow with a wonderful fragrance, which I absolutely love. Beautiful cut flowers. It says here we have carnations, large fully double flowers in a fantastic variety of colours, coupled with a wonderful fragrance, great for beds and borders in full sun, superbly cut flower. Sowing instructions: sow seed on the surface of a good free draining seed compost, cover it with a fine sprinkling of vermiculite, seal container inside a polythene bag and place at 15 to 20 Celsius, 59 to 68 Fahrenheit until after germination, which takes 7 to 14 days. Do not exclude light as this helps germination. It can also be sown outdoors, 6mm, 1/4 inch depth, in rows of 30 centimeters, 12 inches apart. Lay to thin out seedlings to 30 centimeters, 12 inches apart. Growing instructions: transplant seedlings when large enough to handle into 7.5 centimeter pots. Transplant into final position 12 inches apart in the autumn for flowering the following year. So these are fine for sowing now. So we'll get into them. Let's have a look. Have a look at these seeds. Just get the have a look here, shall we? See what we get. Hope everybody's keeping well. I have got so many seeds here. There is 150 seeds, so somehow I don't think I'm going to need all these, but I'm going to sow them all actually, because they weren't off it, and I'm going to be giving some of these to my neighbours. So I'm going to grow a lot of these things I grow. I haven't got big enough ground to actually put them all out. So what I'm going to do instead of letting them die, I'm going to distribute them to my neighbours for free. They're the seeds there. What you do then is just spread them out nice and evenly. You don't want them touching off too close together. I'm using half of this tray, but in the other half I've sown some petunias. Yeah. So those there. What we'll do then is just, I haven't got any vermiculite, so I'm just going to rub my hands together and just a nice fine layer of coir and peat-free compost. That should be fine. And just give it a little sprinkle of water, like so. Get the name tag in there for those. And these are for my petunias the other side. Right, we should get them round here. Take the lid off, like so, to the back there. Get them across here. Brilliant, that fits perfectly. And as you can see there, I've got this set at 20, which is perfect. So yeah, there's poppies this side, carnations and petunias that side. This is a really cheap way of getting a heated propagator. And that's it. If you've got any questions about how to grow carnations, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you.